Welcome to the series of videos that will help you get started with Hysolate Workspace. In this video, we'll discuss copying files between the environments. Okay, so you have installed Hysolate on your computer. There are now two environments. There is the original or primary environment, and then there's the Hysolate environment. So you may be wondering, can I copy files between the environments? That's a good question. We'll discuss here the default situation, but things may be a bit different in your organization. By default, you are permitted to copy files and even folders between the environments. To copy the files, select the required files of the source environment and then press the Ctrl-C shortcut. Then, to paste the files, switch to the target environment and press the Ctrl-V shortcut. Note that by default, Ctrl-V is the only method that you can use to paste the files into the target environment. It's possible that your Hysolate administrator may have restricted your permission to copy certain files between the environments. If necessary, please contact your administrator. Thanks for watching. Please contact us if you have any questions or feedback.